What's up, guys? Something came in for the Civic. It's the ProClip phone mount. I didn't order what this attaches to, connects it to your dash. What I ordered was Niku Dash Mount. Supposedly they can use a dash mount with this ProClip. Now I thought there would be hardware. I guess I gotta figure out how I'm gonna connect this to the Niku Dash Mount. Oh! There's little teeny tiny screws. I'm going to need to buy hardware for this. So I guess the ProClip dash mounts allow you to screw these tiny screws. I guess the back here, and it screws into the actual ProClip dash mount. But these screws are too small for this hole. But here's a ProClip. For the pictures, it looks like you just slide your phone in. And then I was thinking, like, what's gonna happen like if you hit a bump? Is it just gonna slide all the way through? But if you look into here, it actually stops your phone from sliding all the way through. I'd have to adjust this to fit my phone. I think with these screws here. That's cool. There's a little ball joint here, so you can tilt it. I got the package for the Niku dash mount, and I already took it out of packaging. And this is what it looks like. So this section right here, this is gonna go into the dash behind the AC cluster. And this is where the phone mount screws into. Wait, chill out. Dogs. So again, the phone mount I got was ProClip USA. I know Niku has their own phone mounts that hook up to this. They also said in the website that this is compatible with other phone mounts, including ProClips. So ProClip has 4 little mounting points in the back, and it lines up to 2 different sets. Since these are 2 different companies, the hardware included in the ProClip does not thread into this. I had to run over to Home Depot and try to find screws that will fit both holes. So I ended up getting screws with nuts, and I found out that a number 8 size actually fits the ProClip mount and self-threads into their holes. I think I'm just gonna keep it and just screw it directly, not use any nuts, and hopefully that'll be secure enough, because like I said, it makes its own threads into the phone holder. This is what I got, the number 8. And then 3/8 of an inch. Now, just as a little backstory, I didn't go with the ProClip dash mounts because I think on the FK7, FK8 platform, the only options are either the A-pillar mount or over the dash where the center air vents are. And I didn't like either of those options. And this one it'll sit right next to the radio on the right side. The reason I'm going with a phone mount is my phone, the way I charge it, I actually charge it with a magnetic cable. And it's the same cable I use in the car to use the Apple CarPlay. And if I try to put my phone into the little cubby that where your phone's supposed to sit, there's not enough room for the phone to either sit either way without the connection getting compromised. I decided to go with this mount, and just like I showed you, it slides into place. So I'm gonna head down, bring you guys with me. We're gonna take apart the dash a bit so we can screw the phone mount into place. Oh, hey, hello, nice to see you. Oh, I added that VTech Turbo sticker. I used etched glass vinyl, so it gives it that little extra touch. I know the Canadian versions has this OEM, US does it. I think it looks amazing. And it's a nice added touch. Oh, almost forgot. I gotta get the pry tools. They should do it. All right. There's a few pieces that need to be removed. Each side of this center console needs to be removed. This one, the other side. And then we're gonna have to pop off this piece right here. There's supposed to be like one screw here that I remove, and that's where the dash mount screws into. Let's start taking this apart. So pull straight out. One piece off. You really gotta be careful with this. Anxiety. Okay, so we got the trim pieces off. When you come to the top, these will straight out. So I recommend putting a clip tool on the side here, lifting it. Same on this side. Putting it in, lifting it. Then I think this piece just pops right out. Well, I got the AC controller out. I did break a little plastic piece here that holds this in. But luckily there's 2 clips on each side. So I'll still have 1 clip. Kept the plastic piece in case I wanna glue it back in there, but I think I should be fine. This is the screw that we're removing so we can install this plate. So this should sit like this. I decided that it's gonna go all the way to the outer side. So when it's mounted, the phone will sit like right around there. It's a little close to the head unit, but I think it'll do. I don't want it any closer, so that's why I'm gonna do it on the outside edge. So I'm just gonna put my screws in these 4 corners, screw this back in, and put everything back together. The AC unit is in place, even though it's missing 1 out of the 4 clips, or clip holders. Everything fits good, it's back together. And I think it looks pretty good. So there we have it, guys. We have the ProClip USA phone mount and the Niku Dash Mount all together. This is on a ball mount, so it's tiltable, rotatable. Bam. It sticks a little far out because being a passenger is a bit weird. I wish I could have mounted it a little lower, so it would be like right here. That's gonna have to do until I find another option. I know they make pieces that go like here. I think it looks good. So again, ProClip USA phone mount with the Niku Dash Mount. I'll link the 2 below so you guys can check it out. If you like this setup, let me know what you think, or if there's any other options that I don't know about out there that's alternative to this, let me know down below. Thanks for watching this quick install of this phone mount, ProClip USA Niku phone mount. Yeah, let me know if there's other options out there that I'm missing.